Hello and welcome back to the Kakasa with EFRIS tutorials. In this video, we look at fiscal document management under EFRIS. This shall cover issuing of e-receipts and e-invoices, credit notes and debit notes. Be sure to have watched the previous video covering stock management. The links can be found in the description space below this video.
I'm going to show you how you correct errors on your invoices. In case you issue an invoice and you need to correct an error or make an adjustment, you can issue a credit note or a debit note. Go to Fiscal Document Management under Credit Notes and click Request Credit Notes. Now, for credit notes, we all know that in this instance, you're going to reduce the invoice amount. For instance, let's say you gave someone 10 bags of cement, but they have returned 2 because they are either damaged or they needed less than what they took. So you will give them a credit note to indicate that they have returned some of the products that they are taken from you. So how do you do that? Go to credit notes and click Request Credit Note. So once you click, it will take you to this form where you have the Add and View Credit Notes button. Now note, on this page, you can only view credit notes that you already issued. But since we've not yet issued any credit note, we shall go and try and issue one by clicking the Add button. So after clicking the Add button, you're going to click Search so that you can see all the invoices you have on this account. Once you see all the invoices, select the one against which you need to issue the credit invoice. So I'll select this one and then click Apply. Sections A, those are my details, the seller. And section B, those are the buyer details, the person who was the buyer on this invoice. So at this point, we are interested in section C, where we can do adjustment in the quantity of goods or services that were invoiced. So go to the item, click on it. In this case, I have TV sets, Sony 32-inch. So I'll select on that item and click Modify. So after clicking Modify, it will auto-populate all the details of that item. As you can see, goods and services name, Sony 32 televisions. That's the goods and services code, the commodity category, the unit measure, and the unit price. So I got 20 TVs. That's the invoice. So I want to reduce these TVs by 5 TVs. So what do? I'll go to quantity. What this implies is that someone took 20 TVs from my shop, but they have returned 5. So I need to issue them a credit note of 5 TVs. So I will reduce these TVs by 5. So you go to -5. As you can see, also the amount will be reduced depending on the unit price. So the unit price was 1,100,000. So if you multiply by 5, it will be reduced by 5,500,000. So you can check also the tax details will also have been deducted by that amount. So you click Save. After you've saved, now the new record of the deducted number will show here, so which implies that my invoice of 20 TVs is going to be reduced by a quantity of 5 TVs. So after I've adjusted that quantity, you click the Next button and it will take you to the next page where you will give a reason why you're issuing the credit note. So we have all these multiple reasons, but in case your reason is not among these ones, you can still select Other and give your reason. But for my case, I would just say they are canceling the purchase. Okay? So I will select my reason and then scroll down. Check whether there is an attachment required. If there is, I will put the attachment. For example, if they need the original invoice, I will click on it, click Upload, click Select to take you to my folders. I will look for the original invoice, attach it, and then upload. And then that's it. I've uploaded. As you can see, the quantity is 1. So after everything is okay, I can preview the credit note before I issue it. And if I'm okay with everything that is on there, I will go and submit. So that is how we issue a credit note against an invoice. So like I said, in case you need to see that credit note, go back to Fiscal Document Management, click on Request Credit Note, and then search. And now we have our credit note. So you just come here. Section A has the original invoice. You can click on View to view the original invoice. And then you can go to Section B, which has the credit note, and you click on View to view the credit note that you've just issued. So that's how we issue a credit note against an invoice.
I hope this video has been helpful to you. In the next tutorial, we look at reports management under EFRIS. The links to these videos can be found in the description space below this video. In case of any inquiries, don't hesitate to email us or call us using the contacts across your screen. Be sure to hit the subscription button and notification bell so that you don't miss any tax-related videos.
Uganda Revenue Authority, developing Uganda together.